Hello. So I have I don't know if this is a huge haul. I don't know. I have a makeup and beauty haul here, and I decided spur of the moment to do a little giveaway with this. So you can stay tuned to the end of the video if you are interested in that part of it. I also splurged on an item that I've been eyeing up for a while and finally broke down and bought it. I have some stuff from Ulta, some from Sephora, and I have a couple of PR items that I think you guys might be interested in. So let's go ahead and get into all of these things that I guess I bought myself for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If this is your first time here, or if you've been watching my videos and just haven't hit that subscribe button, I do hope that you consider subscribing before the end of this video. I ran out of hairspray and I decided to replace it with something else. Not because I didn't like it, I just wanted to try something new. I like a hold that is not stiff. I don't want you to be able to tell that I'm wearing hairspray, but you know, I want my style to stay. So I replaced it with the Moroccan Oil Luminous hairspray. I did get the strong finish, but it still says it's weightless and it gives a natural look and it doesn't have a sticky residue, and all of those things are very important to me. I got verification from Rachel, the girl that does my hair. She's been doing it forever and ever and ever, and she said this was really good. So we'll see how I like it. I'll have all the products that I'm talking about linked down below in the description box, along with everything that I'm wearing and any relevant videos too. If you're on mobile, just click the title below the video, and if you're on desktop, look below that title and you'll see the words show more, and that's how you get to the description box. I did replace my Tatcha the rice wash. I've talked in numerous videos now about how I love this cleanser. I adore it, and I am squeezing every last bit out of my current one. So I have a new fresh bottle for when that one runs out, which should be any day now. This has rice and hyaluronic acid. It's a creamy consistency. It's lovely. It's my cleanser of choice. It was my cleanser of 2020 from my Best of Beauty 2020 skincare video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it here for you, but I'm so glad to have a replacement because I just don't think I can live without this cleanser. Okay, so this was spur of the moment. Nars Rita has been a go-to red lip color for me for a long time now. They have this gorgeous gold limited edition packaging. I mean, this is just beautiful. So, I mean, you know, I had it in the previous black packaging and it's getting a little bit old anyway. I mean, I've had it for a couple of years, so I decided, why not go ahead and get it in the gold packaging and just get a replacement in this beautiful packaging while they have it. So I have my staple red and it's all stunningly pretty. So I've still been keeping my eye out for a heat protectant spray that I can use on damp or dry hair before using heat appliances on it that will really, really smooth the hair nicely. And this was recommended to me. I can't remember where though, but I've heard this is good. So this is the Good Behavior Spirulina. Why can't I say that today? Protein Smoothing Spray. Have you guys heard about this or tried it? Leave me comments down below if you've tried or like any of these products or dislike them. I'll take that too. This is a keratin-like treatment in a can that has 24-hour frizz control and heat protection up to 450 degrees. You can use it on damp or dry hair. Super excited to try this, and I had to get it. I'm going to show you one of the giveaway items right now because it's just so beautiful. It's in this limited edition silver packaging. It came in a PR package and I was going to give it to somebody for Christmas, but I ended up finding them something else, and I already have the blush. So this needs to go to somebody who can really appreciate it. One of you. So this is the Nars Orgasm blush in this beautiful mirrored silver packaging. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. It's hard to show you this packaging because it's reflecting everything, but I think you get the idea. So that is one of the items in my giveaway that I'm super excited about. A couple months ago, I fell in love with the Caristas Fresh Affair Refreshing Dry Shampoo, and they have, I hope they still have this, dual set for Christmas at Sephora. So for $39, you can get the full size and then a travel size. It's regularly $55 if you bought them separately. I love having travel sizes of my dry shampoos to carry with me or just, you know, keep elsewhere, and you get both. I love this stuff. It actually smells good. It works. It doesn't leave a residue. I think this is so underrated, and I love that, you know, I was able to get two. So this is for me. Okay, I have no idea why I picked this up when I was walking through Sephora because it's technically an ornament gift type thing. I've never tried anything from Wishful, and it's got little sample size sizes, so I thought, well, this would be the perfect way for me to try them. So it's got little sample sizes of their enzyme scrub and their honey balm jelly moisturizer. I mean, it was $18, so I figured, why not? And I mean, it's super cute. Maybe I'll just stick this under the tree for me. This might air after Christmas, so I'm not sure what's happening, but I did pick this up too. I'm super late to the game with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Superstar Glow highlighter. Everyone under the sun has this. I have no idea why I didn't try this. Yes, I do, because I have enough highlighters and I just didn't buy it, but it was sent to me in a PR package. I'm really, really glad because I've been wanting to try it and it just, you know, kept falling by the wayside, I guess. So yes, I mean, this looks really, really pretty. Let's swatch this on the back of the hand. This looks like a really, really wearable, beautiful, glowy, dewy type of highlighter that looks like skin and not like a glittery glow on the cheek, you know? So, oh, I can't wait to try this. I was expecting this to be glossy, but it's kind of like a matte shiny compact. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, glad I got this. So I was in Ulta and I noticed that Smashbox has a new always on cream to matte lipstick. And while I was there, I looked up reviews and they looked really good. It's supposed to be, or the claims on here, it's supposed to be a cream to matte formula that stays creamy, but it lasts all day. It doesn't cake, flake, or feather or bleed. It's got a primer vitamin oil complex. It feels light and comfortable. It's saturated and it's waterproof. So they do emphasize to keep the cap tight closed or else it can dry out. So I got the shade Fresca. There was just something about this shade. It seemed like it would be really face brightening, but not quite red, not quite pink, not quite coral. I don't know. It just looked really pretty and I'm really anxious to try this formula. So stay tuned to a favorites video. See if it's a favorite, see if it's a fail. I also got a few Lancome products. They have this balm. Have any of you tried this? They have several shades and I got the shade Bouncy Beige. I did try this on in the car after getting it. I really, really like it. So spoiler alert, that will probably be in a favorites video. It does look different on the lips than it looks swatched on the hand. I feel like it's really, really pretty. I've been really into these sheer tinted balms that have, you know, a little bit of substance to the lips, but they're not sticky. I just really am loving that right now. And this is nice. It's also a little bit plumping and it's got a little bit of mint to it, but not too much. It doesn't tingle. It's not annoying, you know? So you'll hear more about this in a favorites and fails video too. Probably December, actually. I also picked up the Prep and Hydrate Illuminating Makeup Primer. I know that seems odd for me because of my skin type, but I did start using several weeks ago prescription tretinoin Retin-A, which I have not talked about yet. And so I am kind of getting into some more hydrating type primers underneath my foundations and I want to try this and see what it's all about. And I picked up their Le Lip liner in Bronzelle. I used to have this lip liner in Natural Mauve and I really liked it. I like the formula and I like that shade, but I wanted to try a different shade. And this one looks natural, but it's got a little bit of a brown tone to it. I was also sent two of the Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Lips in Opal Magic and Champagne Diamonds. I don't really know much about these, but they're really, really pretty. Maybe I'll blot what I have on a little bit and then put this on over it. It just says glide over the lips for hydrating shine and they seem pretty sheer. Yeah, they do seem pretty sheer. So I did get a little bit of shine, but I think it's pretty sheer. It's kind of hard to tell with my dark lip color on, but it feels good. I also received the Charlotte Tilbury mini brush set for this year. She comes out with a new one every year with her holiday collection, and her mini brushes are actually good. It includes 4, but you can also fit other brushes in here. You know, it doesn't only hold or fit these brushes, which is nice. And it's just really pretty and glamorous looking. So that's pretty nice. So this is the most expensive perfume I've ever bought myself. I still can't believe I bought it. I have heard of this perfume. I keep seeing how exquisite and beautiful it is. I will butcher this pronunciation, so I'm not even going to go there. My friend Risa pushed me over the edge with this because she ended up getting it, loving it, and telling me all about it. And I was like, okay, I have to do it. Now, this was during the time when they had $50 off to 50 or more, I think it was. And I had quite a substantial Nordy's note that I was able to put to the purchase. So it actually was less than, you know, the normal price. When you pull it out of that beautiful box, it is in this box, which slides out. There's a little note card in there and you have the perfume. And I mean, it's solid, it's heavy, it's beautiful. Now it's described as an eau de parfum that lays on your skin like an amber, floral, and woody breeze. Luminous and sophisticated, this poetic scent features a graphic and highly condensed signature. Notes: jasmine, saffron, cedarwood, and amber. It is made in France. It's intoxicating in a way. I just know the first time I sprayed it on myself, I couldn't stop smelling myself, which sounds so weird. It's not super feminine, but it's not totally masculine either. It's just this intoxicating scent like I've never smelled before, and I am really, really glad that I got it. It is a luxurious treat for sure, but you know, sometimes we have to treat ourselves. This is what I treated myself with, and I'm glad. I'm glad I did. I'm glad I caved. I mean, you know, if I didn't like it, Nordstrom takes returns, so that is why I got it from there. It was a good purchase. I showed you one part of the giveaway. Here's the rest. It is all Charlotte Tilbury. I have already showed you this Super Nudes eye palette in my Best of Beauty Eyes video. I'll have that video linked, as well as my yearly favorites playlist. So this is in there. It seems like it might be kind of a boring matte palette, but it is so usable. It's really just a pretty palette. Why does that have a little thing in it? I think that's just a shadow. This has not been touched. I literally just took it out of the box. And I always inspect things before I send them out to you guys, so I know that they're not cracked or shattered or anything. This is the Walk of Shame No Lip Kit. Now, this kind of got cracked when I opened it because I wanted to see, again, if everything was okay. This is the Walk of Shame lipstick and lip liner. And this is Charlotte's Magic Skin Duo. This includes a 0.27 ounce of her Magic Serum and a 1.6 ounce of her Magic Cream. So you get two of her skincare products that a lot of people really love too. And then of course we have the Nars Orgasm blush. So I will have the details for the giveaway in my description box that I showed you how to get to if you're not familiar at the beginning of the video. And if you're interested in entering, the dates and everything will be down there. And if you want to see what I loved throughout the year, my favorites, I'll have a link to my yearly favorites playlist right here. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. And if you want to see extra bonus content, I have a link in my description box to join the Stephanie Marie Circle, or if you're on desktop, you can hit the join button and you can scroll through and see different membership levels. We would love to have you join us. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.